All right, guys, so let's talk about the free options that I give you just for joining whdacademy.com. So make sure you watch the whole video because I have three more options after these. But let's go over the free options. So I give you guys this one for free just for joining the platinum membership on whdacademy.com. All right. So the first option, free option, is auction access only. Now this is auction access with the dealer plate. Okay. So for auction access only, right? It's a $600 startup fee, one-time fee, right? That's it. That's all. You do not have to pay this annually or anything like that. It's a one-time fee to start, $600. It's $200 per month, and you have to pay $200 per car. So every car that you purchase, you have to pay the owner of the dealership $200 per car. As soon as you buy the car, you're paying your $200. All right. So this is auction access only. All right. So you can go to auctions like Mannheim, Odessa, all of the dealer auctions and Copart. Okay. So with this option, this is auction access with one dealer plate. All right. So, and you can read here, these are all the things that it is offered. All right. You got issued, you get they issue temp tags, sales forms provided. Everything is provided over here. So you can read through this. All right. One dealer plate, liability insurance. You do not have to pay anything towards the insurance every month. This one is just a $800 startup fee. Sorry, so $800 startup fee. You do not have to pay this annual at all. It's a one-time fee. You have to pay $400 per month, and every car that you purchase under this dealership, you have to pay $100 per car. All right. And again, this is with the dealer plate. This is without the dealer plate. All right. So these are the free options that I'm going to give you as soon as you join whdacademy.com. Let's go through the other options. All right, guys, let's go ahead and go over option one. Now, this is option one. Now, this is for Copart and the insurance auto auction only. These are the only two auctions that you will have auction access to. Now, to get any of these options that we're about to go over, let me just say this. You have to be a part of whdacademy.com, all right? You have to be a part of whdacademy.com. You have to have the platinum membership, all right? That is the only way I'm going to give you guys the connections to be able to do this, okay? So you have to be a part of whdacademy.com, and you have to pick the platinum membership. Okay, so let me say this as well. Your platinum membership price, which is the $70, right, will be deducted from your $600 one-time fee. All right, and that goes with all of the price options. Okay, so whichever price option you choose, your $70 first month's $70 payment will be deducted off your payment. All right, whether it's the $600 option or whichever price option I go over. All right, make sure you watch the whole entire video so I can go through all the price options I have for you guys and what they offer. All right, I'm just letting you know that your first month's payment will be deducted off your process to get auction access. Okay, and let me go ahead and explain the perks on doing this option just in case you guys don't understand. All right, so let's just say you have a public account, because you can make a public account for Copart, you can make a public account for the insurance auto auction. But the thing about that is, when you buy a car under the public account or even using a broker that they have on the Copart website or the insurance auto auction website to buy cars, those cars are going in your name. Okay, every time you buy a car from the auction gives you the title, and they write the owner of the person that bought the car. So if you're buying up under a dealer license like this option here, right, if you're buying up under a dealer license, they're putting the dealership information on there. They're not putting your personal name on the title. This allows you to not have to put the car in your name, and you can just resell the car. That is the perk about having a dealer license, right? because if I bought a car with a public account, whether on the insurance auto auction or Copar or any other auction, right, they're putting my name on the title, right? And if you put my name on the title, then I got to go to the DMV or the tag office. I got to pay the taxes on the car. I got to wait for the title to come in my name, register the car, get insurance on it. Then I could turn around and sell it. With these options that I'm explaining to you guys, you don't have to do that. They're being sold to the dealership, and then you're just taking the title, right? And you're selling it to someone else on the street, you know what I mean? Or wherever you're going to sell the car. So that is the perks about these options here. So like I said, it's a $600 one-time payment. The $70 will be knocked off of this. All right, so $600 one-time payment. You do have to pay a yearly $100 annual renew fee. This is to continue to be up under this license and to continue to buy up under them. All right, every car that you purchase, when you purchase the car, not when you sell the car, when you purchase the car, it is a $250 per car fee. All right, that you have to pay to the owner, okay? And that's for cars under $10,000. All right, when you buy the car, you have to pay this fee. If you buy cars over $10,000, you have to pay $350 per car. Every car that you purchase up under this license, all right, that is your fee, okay? So you got your $600 one time, you got your $100 annual, you got your $250 per car under $10,000, and you got your $350 per car over $10,000. And if you need temp tags, all right, $30 temp tags per car if needed. So you don't need to buy this, all right? But if you do need temp tags, you can purchase them for $30 per car, all right? Because this option does not come with a dealer tag. So if you bought a car and you want to drive it, all right, it'll be $30 per temp tag, all right? And temp tags last from 30 to 45 days, all right? So this is price option one. Again, make sure you watch the whole video. So I just went over price option one, and this is for Copart and the insurance auto auction only. All right, now let's go ahead and talk about these options here. All right, now we have two auctions. Now these are for people who want to get into dealer auctions. All right, so if you want to get in your dealer auctions, then this is the option for you. All right, so you still have access to the your Coparts, your IAAs, but this is for you guys who want to get access to like your Manheims, your Odessas, your American Auto Auctions, your CarMaxes and stuff like that. So this option is for you guys, all right? So we have two different options here. Let me go ahead and explain it. So you have one with a dealer plate and you have one without a dealer plate. Now this is a one-time annual fee, all right? So if you would just want auction access only, let's go ahead and go over auction access only. So if you want auction access only, it's a $21.50 one-time fee annually, all right? So yearly you have to pay this if you want to renew. All right, so $21.50, your $70 will be deducted from the $21.50, right? So you get auction access. You get auction access within 24 to 48 hours, and you get unlimited access to buy and sell cars, retail. Okay, so this is not like your wholesale. This is retail. All right, just like the first option that I explained to y'all for $600. All right, you can retail these cars. You can sell them to people on the street, on Facebook marketplaces. All right, so you do have to pay a $157 fee per car. All right, so $157 per car. Every car that you purchase, you got to give the owner $157. All right, but this is a one-time fee, $21.50, and again, your $70 will be deducted off of the $21.50. Okay. Second option is with the dealer plate. All right, so you get auction access. You get auction access within 24 hours. You get unlimited access to buying and selling cars, everything that's in this option, but you get the dealer plate with this option. All right, so this comes with the dealer plate. All right, you do not have to pay the $157 fee per car with the dealer plate option. All right, and this option is for $3,000. All right, so and this is the $70 will be deducted off the $3,000 as well. All right, So if this sounds like something that you guys are interested in, make sure you get the academy. All right, whdacademy.com, the platinum membership package, and you can have access to these options here. All right, this is the fastest, easiest way for you guys to be a dealer representative and to be able to buy and sell cars. Like, this is the fastest way. This is the easiest, fastest way possible. All right, so make sure you join whdacademy.com platinum membership if you are interested.